Mine. See about it. If you say, when you mean one with him, once on the fan.
The surprising thing is that just yesterday she was okay. Just yesterday she was fine. Hey! Oh, my grandchild. Oh, fine, baby. If they had taken good care of you, you would have been alive by now. Oh, my baby. If it's the wish of God, then go in peace. If not...
Mike, sorry. Take heart, eh?
Against the rule of darkness, we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness.
He's so caring. An ideal man for every woman. Yet my mission is to destroy him. Don't know, but something is stirring in my heart.
The breastplate of righteousness. Be strong in the Lord and pray without ceasing. Hold on the full armor of God to withstand in the...
Yes, Finn. Take this paper to the office. The accountant will give you the money.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mike, for helping my brother.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Brother Mike. I will live to remember this. $10,000 for me.
Oh, Mike. Oh, my God, Mike. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank Brother Mike for me.
Thank you.
Against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high.
Can I offer you anything?
I'm okay.
Anyway. You're welcome. How's everybody?
They are all fine. Now, Hilda, how are you getting on with your assignment?
Everything is on course.
Are you sure? But I don't see anything.
Ken, I've told you not to worry. I have everything under control.
Hilda, I believe you find things a bit difficult. Can I be of some help?
I have already told you. I can handle everything myself.
No! I can see you cannot handle it alone. I have to come in.
Who are you to be ordering me around? Huh? Leave my house.
I should leave your house?
Leave my house now. Leave.
You see.
Leave now. And close that door behind you.
You see.
Nonsense. Do you know better than I do?
Hilda! Hilda! You were a disappointment! Why are you still failing to bring Mike? Do you have any explanation to give?
Grand Witch, I don't have the freedom to execute it the way I want to.
Your Majesty, Hilda doesn't listen to advice. I have been to her house on several occasions to offer my help. But she threw me out of her house on each visit.
It is never true, Your Majesty. My husband now prays, and it is becoming increasingly difficult to get him.
Your Majesty, Mike is a very good friend of mine. He doesn't go to church. I can see she is deeply in love with Mike. Dr. Moon.
I am giving you another opportunity to prove to me you can deliver.
Your Majesty, I still promise to bring the power of my son. If Hilda does not want to do it, I will find other means to do it.
Hilda, I hope you know the consequences should you fail again.
Against the rule of darkness.
Papa.
Of the
Morning.
east world.
Morning.
My boy.
Against spiritual wickedness.
Modem. Catch enemy now.
Papa.
So bold.
Party. I just want to show.
We are from the city to say.
I'm laying my friend what that is. She you are always a girl. Now, I'm about
Yes, I brought boy at you, and you so what to them. Yes, I brought boy at you, and you so what to them. Yes, I brought boy at you, and you so what to them.
yes, I brought with
You, and you so what to them.
I work on pay. I don't really myself.
And a many I might need a blue. I walk around pay, and a many I am and many I might need a blue.
I never walk around.
I many I am and many I might need a blue. I walk around pay, and many I
You are pregnant. After all the woman, and you think you will be happy about it?
I'm so
Shut up! Shut up! If not for what Abraham that the let his youngest brother see, we would have only followed this new mood.
You see, you have failed. But he's so nice to me.
Shut up, you silly girl! I warned you against failure. Now you are emotional. Because you fool and there.
And you know it's against our life to be emotional. We must be strong because we in our growth confessed. Even if they are husbands, children, wives, brothers and sisters, as far as they don't have in our mouth and shine in our bones, they are against us.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh. Thank you, my dear. Oh, well, you're welcome. Thank you. Yes, Papa. Papa is fine, and everybody in the village. Everybody is fine.
Excuse me, let me take your luggage inside.
Who asked you to get pregnant? Eh? I hope you've not forgotten your mission here.
Mama, Mike is such a nice man.
I want to have his child.
Wrong. No one is interested in this child. We want him. That is why we sent you here.
Mama, see all the good things he's been doing for you.
You are not the one to remind me of that. I know about it before I offered him for the sacrifice, and it must be done.
Oh, Mike. Your father says you must pay him a visit one of these days.
In fact, it's high time I pay him a visit.
Hello, hello. You have to name this after me.
Well, if it's a girl.
Against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. So hold on the full armor of God to withstand in the evil days. Hold on.
Come and embrace me. Hello. How are you?
Fine, thank you, Papa. And you?
I'm also fine.
Thank God. Oh, Mama. Mama, let me do it for you. I don't want anybody, especially Mike, to come and blame me once more.
Will you shut up? Please, Mark, let's go. Let's go.
Mike.
It's okay. Let's go. It's okay. Let's go.
Don't you think you are a fool? By adding to a bloodline, I want it terminated.
But that is out of my free will.
Your free will? How can you have your free will on my own land blood? You are just being foolish, and very soon you will realize it. How can you love him more than I?
I love him. And he's the father of my children. Is that why you sent them? You can't harm him, and you know that.
You are first of all being stupid. And you are a stupid girl. Stupid girl. I told you the soup is getting sour. And all that you can say is, I'm tired, I'm tired.
Why all these quarrels? Can't the two of you stay without shouting at each other?
It doesn't concern you, boy.
I'll be right back, okay? Let's go, boy. Bye.
Mumu. Jimmy, Jimmy, this is not there. This is not there. Jimmy. It's a shame. Hilda has disgraced the whole witch's family. She has failed and deserves the maximum punishment. I vote for her bones to be dried and used for the torches in the coven.
Oh, no. Sometimes you may not know why things happen the way they happen.
Yeah.
But we cannot kill Hilda. Because she has not committed the ultimate crime, which is revealing our secret. But she must pay a price for what she has done. She must choose between one of her children and that naughty man she called her husband. Either she does what she has been sent to do, or one of her children will die.
Please, your respectfulness. Please leave my children out of this, please. I should have asked for 2 or more.
Are you saying my decision is wrong?
No. Your Majesty, who am I to question your authority? It's just that it concerns my bloodline.
I see. Hilda! Your sentence has been confirmed!
Hey!
Mike, see about it. If you say, when you mean one word, one son of
The surprising thing is that just yesterday she was okay. Just yesterday she was fine.
Okay.
Hey! Oh, my grandchild. Oh, my baby. If they had taken good care of you, you would have been alive by now. Oh, my baby. If it's the wish of God, then go in peace. If not...
Mike, sorry. Take heart, eh?
Hey!
But against principalities, against powers, against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. So put on the full armor to withstand in the
Go back to your husband's house. I am in my husband's house. Nonsense.
Have you forgotten where you came from?
What is all this noise about? Look, Hilda, it's enough. Why are you shouting at your mother-in-law?
Shut up and keep your smelling mouth to yourself. Don't tell me what you don't know.
Are you what? This is
Nonsense.
pure madness.
Me. It is you that is mad.
Thank you.
You are the mad woman in this house.
Thank you very much.
Will you shut up and leave here immediately? Mike, why should you allow her to talk to your mother like that? I said shut up. My brother, I just don't understand what is going on.
Julie, you won't understand.
I said shut up and leave now.
You're welcome.
This is very bad, man. My house is always on fire. You have to do something, Mike. It is either this or that all the time.
Papa, I'm appealing to you to find out what is going on between my wife and my mother. There's always a quarrel anytime they meet.
Mike, I'm also at a loss. Your mother always quarrels with my two best friends in the village. They seem to quarrel over something I don't understand. Margaret, will you tell us why you always quarrel with Hilda? Because you're not giving them peace.
Ask her why she cannot contain me.
Hilda, have you taken anything that belongs to my mother?
Mike, if your mother stops her frequent visit to you, it will be better for you and your wife.
This is my son's house.
Mike, your father is right. If you can stop your mother from visiting us, there will be no quarrel.
I dey come home. Make you wait me, I dey come.
Where is your master?
You know they.
But who is at home?
Madam. Oh, she said make I don't lie for the house.
Oh, how?
Oh, madam, she said make I don't lie for the house.
Don't you know me?
Madam.
What do you want here?
I'm coming to visit my son.
Your son is not in. Go and wait for him outside.
What do you mean by that?
You heard me. You are no more welcome here. Go.
Oh.
Go.
Go. Oh, what are you doing?
Did I warn you not to allow her to come in? Huh?
Yes, madam.
Did I?
Yes, madam.
Satan has no love, no compassion for you. He takes strong pleasure in your sorrow. Like a roaring lion, he moves all around, seeking whom to devour all the time. So put on the full armor to withstand.
Baba, why are you sitting outside?
Your wife won't allow me to enter the house.
Please, let's go inside.
She won't allow me to enter the house. I don't want to see her.
Please. Please, Mama. Hi, Brother Mike. How are you, Finn?
I'm fine. Do you care for something?
No.
Brother Mike, are you okay? What is the matter?
Look, Finn, there's a serious problem. Your sister is giving me too much troubles. She doesn't see eye to eye with my mother. My own mother.
Brother Mike, have you found out from her why she behaves like that?
She simply refuses to give me any explanation.
Thank you very much, Brother Mike. I will come over tomorrow and talk to her.
I think you better do.
Finn, you won't understand. I need to protect him. They want to kill him.
Who want to kill him?
It is not everything that I can explain to you.
It is not everything that you can explain to me. Why would they want to kill him? Does he owe anybody?
Just let me deal with them. I will not leave Mike for them. Not me, Hilda.
I am worried by your strange behavior. That woman, it's your mother-in-law. And you have to respect her.
I know, but that is the only way I can save Mike.
How do you mean by save Mike? Do you know something that nobody knows?
Finn, you and Mike should stay out of this issue. Stay out, oh. Huh? Blood is blood. Blood of a colleague from the same end of the world we operate. My blood is your secret, as yours is mine. Go. Go. I don't want to harm you.
Against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. So put on the full armor to withstand
Yes.
If the deal goes through, I'll make sure I introduce you to the man. And honestly, he's a very good man.
Look, I told you there's no problem. I have all the documents with me inside. I can even show it to you.
That's great.
What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you not to come here again?
What's all this?
Nonsense.
Hilda! Please, excuse me.
Damn it!
Hilda, why did you pour water on Ken?
Mike, I can't explain it to you. Ken is a bad friend.
What has he done to make him a bad friend?
You won't understand. Just leave me to deal with him. I know what I'm doing.
You are getting me confused.
Don't get confused, darling.
We've tried all possible avenues, but Hilda has blocked all of them. Hey, Hilda!
Hilda!
All right. Anyway, I have a new plan.
Yes. Ken, yes. Are we safe?
Yes, we are safe. This is a friend of mine from a different group. I will use her. I once introduced him to Mike, and he seemed to be interested.
Fine.
So I think it will be better for us now. Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Bibi.
Can you do it?
In my group, I'm the external agent, and this assignment falls within my jurisdiction.
Fine. Do you know my son?
Yes.
Fine. She can do it.
Yes.
Then the rest is up to you.
Be rest assured.
Do you want your food served now or later?
Oh, get away! Stupid girl. Foolish girl.
You can die. I won't give him up.
Foolish girl. You are enjoying.
What happened to your face?
It's Hilda. I was in the kitchen cooking. She pounced on me, used her fingers to scratch my face. Look at Just look at my face. Look at my face.
This is something else. Today she will leave my house.
She has to.
Hilda! Hilda! Do that to my mouth. Huh?
Mike, what is this?
How can you do this to my mother? No matter what she did to you.
Mike, you don't understand. I didn't touch her.
Liar.
Now I see you are truly mad.
Mike.
Leave my house and don't you come back.
Mike, I swear I didn't do those things to her. Mike.
You're treating my mother this
Mike,
way.
Mike, understand me.
Do you know how she suffered before she gave birth to me? Now get out of my house! Out! All of you! Out! And stay out! Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me get the car key and take you to the hospital.
I don't want to go to the hospital.
Why? Okay. I'll get you some medicine from the pharmacy shop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, don't worry.
Come and kiss me and enjoy yourselves.
Against the rule of darkness. Oh. spiritual wickedness in high places. So hold on.